Okay, in this lesson we're going to be looking at a cuboid, and we're going to be working out the surface area of that cuboid. So imagine we have a cuboid. I'm just going to do a quick sketch like this. Okay, and imagine the height is 2, the width is 4 and the depth is 3. You'll then need to draw this into a net. I'm going to start by drawing the base. We look at the base here, which has got a width of 4 and a depth of 3, so I'm going to draw that here like this. Okay, and then I'm going to draw in the rest of the other faces, and I'm going to colour code it afterwards so you can see how the net corresponds to the drawing of the original cuboid. Okay, so here are the 6 faces of my cuboid. I can see that I have my base, which is 4 by 3, and so I can label this 4 and this is 3. I'm going to colour in all the widths which are 4 in orange on my original drawing, and then also on my net, as that will make it easy for you, or easier for you to see how they compare. If I then look at the height of 2 on my cuboid, which I'm drawing in now, which is in green. So I'm going to colour in all these heights which are green, which have a height of 2. If we then look at the depth is a depth of 3, which I'm now going to draw in blue. So all the lengths which are 3 are going to be drawn in blue. We can now work out the area of the base, which is 4 times 3, which gives an area of 12. We needed to count the squares. We could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But it's quicker just to multiply 4 by 3. If I now want to find the area of this face, I can see that that is going to be 4 by 2, 4 by 2, and so my area there is going to be 8. If I now want to look at the area of this top face here, which is 4 by 3 by 3, I'm going to multiply those together to give me 12. I now want to look at this face here, which is going to be 4 by 2, 4 by 2, so my area there is going to be 8. And when I finally look on the right face here, which is going to be 3 by 2, 3 by 2, it gives me an area of 6. And obviously, if my right face was 6, my left face, which is also 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, is also going to be 6. So I now have the area of every face. So if I want to find the total surface area, I need to add them up. So I'm going to have 12 plus 12 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6. If I add those together, I get 52. So if this was in centimetres, my total surface area would be 52 centimetres squared. Now the quick way of getting that 52, you can see that I've got 2 lots of 12, 2 lots of 8 and 2 lots of 6. So if you want to, you can say 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 times 6, which is 12. And then when you add these 3 numbers together, you get 52. Of course, will be the same answer, 52 centimetres squared. Now once you've drawn the net, the best thing to do is to cut it out, and then you can make sure that it fits together correctly. So this here is the net of the cuboid that we just did earlier. You can see that it all folds together nicely, and that the corresponding sides to the sides that match are going to be the same length. If that all folds together correctly, it means you can be more confident that you've drawn it accurately, and that the area of each of the faces is much more likely to be correct, so therefore so is your total surface area. So I'm now going to give you some cuboids. You're then going to draw the nets accurately. You're going to cut them out to make sure that they fold together correctly, and you're going to work out the area of each face, and so the total surface area of the cuboid.